Ready to ditch the digital dinosaur and build a website that actually works for you? Let's jump into creating a professional website using Wix first. Head over to Wix.com and click Get Started. You'll be prompted to sign up for an account. You can use your email, Google, or Facebook. Once you're logged in, Wix will ask you what kind of website you want to create. Choose the option that best fits your needs, whether it's a business, blog, or online store. Next, browse through Wix's extensive template library. Look for a template that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and the purpose of your website. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect right away. You can customize almost everything later. Now, you're in the Wix editor. This is where the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The left-hand toolbar gives you access to elements like text, images, buttons, and more. The canvas is where you'll build your website, and the right-hand properties panel allows you to adjust settings for each element. Let's start customizing. Click on any text element to edit its content, font, size, and color. Use clear and concise language that resonates with your target audience. Remember to use headings and subheadings to break up your text and improve readability. Next, let's add some visuals. Click on the Add button in the left toolbar and select Image. You can upload your own images or choose from Wix's vast library of free stock photos. Place the image strategically to enhance your content and grab the visitor's attention. Make sure the images are high quality and relevant to your business. Calls to action are crucial for guiding your visitors. Add buttons to encourage them to take specific actions, like Contact Us, Learn More, or Shop Now. Link these buttons to the appropriate pages or external websites. Enhance your website's functionality with Wix Apps. Explore the Wix app market for tools like contact forms, social media feeds, booking systems, and more. Just click Add to Site to install an app and customize it to your liking. Don't forget about mobile users. Switch to the mobile editor to optimize your website for smartphones and tablets. Make sure your text is readable, your images are responsive, and your navigation is user-friendly on smaller screens. Before you publish, optimize your website for search engines. Use the Wix SEO tool to guide you through the process of adding relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and alt text to your images. This will help your website rank higher in search results. Finally, when you're happy with your website, click the Publish button. Choose a domain name and select a Wix pricing plan that suits your needs. Congratulations! You've just created a professional website using Wix. Now get out there and share it with the world.